Hey, he got hot, man. He said, can't go out there.
Hey, my boy. What's up with you?
Nah, he's a shitty booty ass nigga. Look at him. Hey, you might got shit on your shirt. Bro, make this bit like this. Nigga, I got
Hey, you went hard behind that tree back there, huh?
You good, bro? Nah, don't touch me with them. Put them bitches in the trunk, nigga.
Ooh, boy, you going through it. Cause I got the, boy, you got the hole in the socket and everything. You got the hole in the socket. You did that on the twig.
Hey, I got caught like this.
You got this nice ass car. You over here shitting behind a tree. Man, straight behind the tree. That man is so stupid. That man. What's up, whore?
What's up, whore?
Yeah. All in your face with it.
Hey.
Yeah.
For all my fans.
Yeah.
If you think, slide in the bitch.
What else you got for him? What else you got for him?
All the ugly hoes. Some of dick on the back.
Oh man, not like that. Not like that. I forgot what size you said this thing was. Y'all need to go and sell it to me. I need it. I can use this. Go on, sit on it. You heard me? Go on, sit on it. Why not? I want to see how you look on it. Fat, you sit on it, man.
That nigga said, I want to lie this shit down. Nigga said, I want to see how you look on me.
No homo. No homo. No homo.
How about you sit on it? We record you.
I sit on this motherfucker. Shit. It's a four-wheeler. It's a four-wheeler. I be hauling ass with it. It's a manual too. All my vehicles are manual.
So that means you gotta get it, huh?
One hurt me. Yes it is.
Yes, it is.
Alright. What a shifter is though.
That's what I'm talking about. Nah, that's automatic. Food could got your what you call it.
So what is this?
Your brake, dumbass.
Okay, what is this? The brake too? Front and rear brake?
Probably one front, one back. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So what is this? And there's a rear brake down here though?
Yeah, that's your back brake.
Okay, so
That's your back brake, this front. That probably just the clutch to put in there. So I don't see no shift, so how would it be a mag?
that's stupid as fuck.
Remember mine was a mag, but I had a shifter down there.
Yeah, I know. I done drove some with shifters.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. This is automatic. It gotta be.
This is stupid.
You look like a piece of shit to me.
Hey. It'll fly. I need this.
It'll fly if it crank.
I can get the crank.
Hey,
That ain't the problem.
$2,000 later, man. This shit still fucking.
I can get the crank. Look at yourself, Da Vinci. Yeah. What you tell the big booty bitches? What can they do for you?
jump in the white truck out there, bitches.
Yeah, I could definitely do some of this four-wheeler, though. I could definitely do some of this. I like this other four-wheeler, man. What you doing, fucking with the carburetor or something? Oh, spark plug?
Yeah, I finna see how spark plug look.
Ain't no telling. It'd be funny if we get this bitch to crank up. David just come home like, ain't no way y'all done took off on my shit. Y'all done fixed it. Yeah.
He ain't gonna care.
Woo! I gotta get used to that, boy. I can't. Well, woo, boy, man, that's gonna take some getting used to, boy. I'm loving this right now. I'm not used to having a camera where I can zoom in like that, bro. But we are outside, man. I'm finna get ready to head to Brandon. I gotta drop the car off, get the clutch put in. I just want to show you guys my McLeod. This is the box right here. I'm gonna show y'all more of that when we get to where we need to go. But that is my McLeod street / track use clutch. Rated for 700 horsepower. I was planning on going boosted with this car, but that dream is still big for old Bluetooth valve, my V6 up there, man. So my V6, I've been thinking about going boosted with it for a little minute because, you know, that's my second car. It's been down for a little minute. You know, I love this car sitting how it is, man. It's pretty quick for how it is. Yeah, I know y'all haven't heard a cold start of the GT in a minute, so I'm gonna let y'all hear a cold start of it, man. Cold start, boy. What is a sexy beast of a car right here, man? Look at the rag seals. I can't get over these tail lights either, bro. These tail lights right here are fire. These tail lights, bro. If you're somebody who's in the market for some good tail lights for a 99 through 04 Mustang GT, bro, them rack seals, bro. Rack seals right there, bro. Y'all gotta go and get y'all some of them, man. Them things is fire. I paid a lot of money for them. The same amount that I'm finna pay to get this clutch put in, I paid for these goddamn tail lights. But hey, it was well worth it. I'm not mad at it. It's super bright at nighttime, man. You can't go wrong with these tail lights right here. I promise you. I promise you, you can. I promise you cannot go wrong with these tail lights, bro. I promise you, man. I had to, man. My car. Get my shit fixed. Oh, there go old Marvin's.
Oh, there you go right there.
Marvin Bud Portis. Shut up. He found that so funny. I be forgetting to cut this damn mic on this camera. I gotta get used to it, man. I'm used to a point and shoot camera. That's it.
Yeah, I'm used to having to cut the mic on.
Go ahead.
I ain't got no fender line in my car either. My shit just like yours. I gotta put that back in there. I don't like that.
All this O'Reilly's transmission fluid. Mama Cloud clutch. Car should be ready today. Who, O'Reilly? That's all I shop with. You can close my door, pussy. Thank you. Not really. Slam it. There you go. That's how you do it. You just wanted to do it the last time. You just wanted to do it. I'm gonna leave my tools in my jump box here. Why? I would say I don't feel like grabbing shit.
We need a pickup truck. Ooh, what the fuck happened? Oh, no, I got that scratch. Boy, it was deep too. It was a lot of bar.
Oh, all right. It's goodbye again, GT.
It's about to later.
Till later. Till later. You have a new clutch in you. And we're gonna beat the shit out Trey.
And maybe a power adder.
We might have a power adder. Just might. Why is you trying to look and see what am I doing?
I wanted to see what you were doing.
You really trying to look and see what I'm doing for, boy? Bye, baby. Bye, baby. Before the bug come back out, like, damn, what y'all doing back out here again, man? I ain't gonna lie, man. I bought the wrong clutch, so I'm pissed off about that. I bought a 26 spline. I need 11. Didn't really know, man. My first manual car, I ain't never been inside the transmission. Didn't know the spline or nothing like that. I went on the LMR tab, you know, tried to pick which one go on which one, so it ain't work. All right, fam. So I know it's dark right now, but y'all hear the GT. Right now, we are basically open header. Right now. Right now, it's basically open header. It's loud as hell. I'm not even gonna lie to you, bro. It's hard. Boy, I gotta hit it. It's hard for me to get. It's gonna be hard to get used to that, but I'm not gonna have to. I'm going to the exhaust shop first thing in the morning. But I'm gonna get down and show y'all what it looks like underneath the car. As you can see, there is my exhaust right there. But hey, at least my cam sound good, so it makes my cam sound good like this. But like I said, we're gonna pick this up tomorrow, man. So y'all just stay tuned.